Now, sige, kagatin natin yung ginagawa mo kaming tanga. Kung talagang abogado nyo yan, magkano po binayad nyo dyan? Magkano po yung fee ninyo? May kakayahan ba kayong bayaran yung kanyang PF? Kasi ang sweldo nyo lang po is 23,000 eh.
So, hindi mo yun alam kung sino yung Chinese na incorporator dyan. Hindi mo kilala kung sino ang presidente at chairman ng korporasyon?
Hindi po.
So, corporate secretary ka, ikaw ang nililista na lahat, ikaw ang nagre-record na lahat, pero hindi mo alam ang pangulo ng korporasyon.
Hindi po, kasi hindi po.
Kaya lang, ikaw ang corporate secretary, Mr. Chair. So ito establish natin, hindi mo kilala ang presidente ng korporasyon. Hindi mo rin kilala ang chairman ng korporasyon.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo rin kilala ang mga Filipino incorporators.
Hindi rin po.
I think this person is withholding her knowledge about a lot of things. I truly believe on that. Na tinatanong namin kung magkano binayad sa iyo para pumirma ka sa lahat ng korporasyon na to. Kasi, alam mo, parang it doesn't make sense, ano? It doesn't make sense na pipirma ka sa mga dokumento na kung saan makikita mo SEC, PAGCOR, di ba? Saan mo mag-iisip ka eh? Mag-iisip ka, ano tong pinipirmahan ko? Ano na to? SEC na to? PAGCOR na to? Gaming na to eh. Tapos, sasabihin mo sa amin dito na pumipirma ka lang dahil walang pabor na binigay sa'yo. Sama parang nagdududa kami dito na it's either wala ka talagang alam or ito ang plano nyong ipaalam sa amin with the connivance of your employer. Kasi you've been there for so many years eh. And you have established relationship. At kami naman dito sa Kongreso, tingin ko, hindi naman tanga mga congressman dito para basta-basta paniwalaan ka namin. Ronaldin, Baterna, please answer truthfully. I think you are hiding something. Sabi kasi ni Baterna, ni Miss Baterna, kinontak lang daw kayo. So, sino kumontak sa inyo? Lucky South 99 o si Miss Baterna? Pero Lucky South po ang nag-contact sa inyo.
Yes, yeah.
So, ang ibig sabihin, sinungaling si Baterna. It's klaro dito na medyo, Ronaldin, Baterna, I think you are lying. You are lying. Kaya, mamaya, sabihin mo na yung nalalaman mo because this will help you a lot.
Well, in fact, I already explained what is contempt. Tinagalog pa natin. So, alam niya na. Alam niya na yung consequence ng pagsisinungaling sa hearing na to. So, with that, Mr. Chairman, I move to cite in contempt Ms. Baterna in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C of our rules. The violation is refusal to answer questions from the members of this committee. In short, she is lying, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Ito ang latest update sa kaso ng Mayor ng Bamban Tarlac na si Alice Goo nang di umano'y nasasangkot sa iligal na aktibidad sa ating bansa. Ipinakulong ng House Committee on Public Order and Safety at Games and Amusement ang Corporate Secretary na si Ronilyn Baterna ng Lucky South 99, ang Pugaw Hub na ni-raid ng mga otoridad sa Park, Pampanga. Matapos ang umano'y hindi niya tuwirang pag-amin at lantarang pagsisinungaling. Si Ronilyn Baterna ay kinwestiyon sa pagdinig ni Manila Representative Benvenido Abante Jr. kung siya ba ay pinilit na gawing incorporator ng Lucky South 99. Ngunit agad itong itinanggi ni Ronilyn Baterna sa pagsasabing ang trabaho niya lamang ay primarily clerical at hindi niya alam na siya ay incorporator. Wala po talaga akong alam. Kasi ang instruction po sa akin, dagdag lang po siya sa trabaho ko. Ang sagot ni Baterna, tinanong din si Ronilyn Baterna kung sino ang kumuha ng abogado para sa naturang Pugaw Hub matapos ma-raid. Sa mga unang pahayag ni Baterna, sinabi niyang inutusan lamang siya. Ngunit nang paharapin rin ang abogado ng NFC Mireles Law Office na si Attorney Giselle Velasco na siyang legal counsel ng Lucky South 99, lumabas na si Baterna pala ang nakipag-usap at nagpatawag sa kanila para kumatawan sa kumpanya. As far as I know, as confirmed by our managing partner, it was Ms. Baterna who communicated to our office as the corporate secretary of Lucky South 99. And she also engaged us for our services. Ang paliwanag ni Attorney Giselle Velasco. Para sa mga mambabatas, ang pabago-bagong pahayag ni Baterna ay maituturing na pagsisinungaling at marahil ay may itinatago. I think she's hiding something. Ani Santa Rosa City Lone District Representative Dan Fernandez, chairman ng Public Order and Safety Panel. Dahil dito, nagmosyon si Abang Lingkod Party List Representative Joseph Stephen Paduano na i-contempt si Ronilyn Baterna. Sinabi ng mambabatas na partikular na nilabag ni Baterna ang Section 11, Paragraph C ng House Rules na nagsasaad ng pagtanggi na sagutin ang mga tanong ng mga miyembro ng isang committee. In short, she is lying, Mr. Chairman. Ani Paduano. Nagdesisyon si Congressman Dan Fernandez na pumabor sa mosyon ni Paduano matapos ang walang pagtutol mula sa kanyang makasamahan sa Kamara. Dahil sa hindi tuwirang pag-amin at lantarang pagsisinungaling ni Ronilyn Baterna, ay agad siyang na-cite in contempt ng joint panel dahil sa patuloy na pagtangging ilahad kung sino ang tunay na may-ari ng Lucky South 99. Umapila si Ronilyn Baterna sa mga mambabatas na i-reconsider ang kanilang desisyon na i-detain siya. Ngunit siya ay nabigo.
Your Honor, baka pwede pong humingi ng consideration. Kasi lahat naman po ng sinabi ko is totoo po. Tapos nung mga una po, may medyo mali lang po. Pero sinabi ko rin naman po yung totoo.
Si Ronilyn Baterna ay mananatili sa detention center ng Kamara sa loob ng 30 days. Ating panoorin ang buong video.
Ronilyn Baterna, ikaw ang incorporator ng Lucky South 99, correct? Corporate secretary ka ng anong kumpanya?
Lucky South.
Lucky South 99 Outsourcing. So sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing, kailan to i-register sa SEC?
Kasi yung... trabaho yung...
Anong position mo sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated?
Kasi way back 2019, 2020 po, parang...
So, you were, okay, inassign ka lang doon sa korporasyon,
Opo.
pinapirma ka lang without you contributing anything doon sa korporasyon.
Opo.
Ha? So, dami ka. Ginawa kang dami. Nino?
Ano, di ba po, 2019 reception. Tapos nung sinabi po nila na parang gagawin po nila akong corporate secretary, parang ano ko na lang.
Kung sino nagsabi sa'yo na ipapasok ka sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated?
Yung company po.
Sino nga doon sa company?
Mga admin po.
Sino sa company? Sino yung admin? Sino? Anong pangalan nung nagsabi sa'yo?
Si Ma'am Charlotte po.
Si Charlotte. Anong pangalan ni Charlotte?
Parang siya po yung HR.
Charlotte ano?
Charlotte.
Charlotte C?
Iya po yung...
So, Chinese siya? Chinese siya?
Opo.
Is she still here?
Wala na po.
So, anong position na siya? Charlotte C?
Pagkakaalam ko po, siya po ay... Kasi siya po yung nag-interview sa...
So, in other words, napunta ka doon, Ronilyn Baterna. So, lahat dito, kasi makikita namin yung mga signatures mo from Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, napapunta ka rin dito sa Lucky South 99 Corporation. Di ba?
Opo.
So, alam mo yung series of the signatures that you have given to these corporations?
Hindi ko po alam.
Basta, pirma ka lang ng pirma?
Opo.
Magkano binayad sa inyo?
Wala po kasi, empleyado po kasi ako. So, nagtatrabaho po talaga.
Wait, sandali.
What do you mean binayad?
Ano?
Ano po?
Dahil tinatanong namin kung magkano binayad sa iyo para pumirma ka sa lahat ng korporasyon na to. Kasi, alam mo, parang It doesn't make sense, ano? It doesn't make sense na pipirma ka sa mga dokumento na kung saan makikita mo SEC, PAGCOR, di ba? Saan mo mag-iisip ka eh? Mag-iisip ka, ano tong pinipirmahan ko? Ano na to? SEC na to, PAGCOR na to, gaming na to eh. Tapos, sasabihin mo sa amin dito na pumipirma ka lang dahil walang pabor na binigay sa'yo? Dahil empleyado ka lang? Magkano sweldo mo bilang employee? Magkano yung sweldo?
17. Parang pinromote.
So, 70, naging 20 ka.
3 po.
Ilan taon ka na sa kanila? Hanggang ngayon, 2019 hanggang ngayon, 5 years. 5 years ka na doon at sinasabi, ang sweldo mo mula noon hanggang ngayon is 17, na-level up ka na, 20,000 ka na ngayon.
23 po.
23,000. 23,000. In other words, sinasabi mo na naisahan ka, parang gano'n.
Yung paper
I hope you don't mind. Anong natapos mo? Anong natapos mong course?
2 years got
Anong course?
associate.
Associate Computer? Saang school?
Tanaw po.
Taga Mindanao ka?
Po.
And I think you are educated enough to know that what you are signing is so important that what you are trying to manifest in this committee is unbelievable. Sama parang nagdududa kami dito na it's either wala ka talagang alam or ito ang plano nyong ipaalam sa amin with the connivance of your employer. Kasi you've been there for so many years eh. And you have established relationship. At kami naman dito sa Kongreso, tingin ko, hindi naman tanga mga congressman dito para basta-basta paniwalaan ka namin na pagkatapos na 5 taon na nandun ka, hindi mo binasa, 5 taon na nandun ka, nagtatrabaho ka, hindi mo binasa yung SEC, hindi mo binasa yung PAGCOR. Sa lahat ng mga dokumento at lahat ng kanilang mga negosyasyon, andun ka. Mula sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing hanggang sa Lucky South 99 Corporation, kasama ka. Miss Ronelyn Baterna. I think we will be asking more questions in a while. So, nakuha ko na yung timing ko. I will be yielding back his time, but Ronelyn Baterna, please answer truthfully. I think you are hiding something.
I'd like to ask a question to yung lady asked a while ago, Mr. Chair, who became the incorporator of what do you call that?
Lucky South 99
Lucky South 99.
Outsourcing Incorporated.
I would like to ask a question to her, Mr. Chair.
Si Miss Baterna.
Miss Paterna, di po ba kayo pinressure na maging member na maging incorporator? Yung po ba ay ayon sa inyong kalooban o pinressure kayo? Sapagkat kanina binanggit ninyo wala kayong alam eh.
Wala po talaga akong alam kasi yung instruction dagdag.
Therefore, Mr. Chair, kung yan dagdag nyo, hindi po dagdag na responsibility nyo maging incorporator eh. Kung hindi mo alam yan, ibig sabihin, inaamin mo sa committee ito, you were pressured to be a part of the incorporation. Pinressure kayo. Aminin nyo na po dito na you were pressured.
Hindi naman po.
Ayon
Kasi,
sa
kasi po yung instruction.
That's what I'm saying, Mr. Chair, no? Yun ang instruction sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, na-pressure kayo sa instruction sa inyo. Tama ho, mali, Mr. Chair. Yun ang empleyado kayo dun eh. Empleyado kayo. Oh. Di ba parang parang hindi tama na empleyado ka lang, magiging member ka ng korporasyon. Kayo ay empleyadong sumisweldo and you were instructed. Therefore, Mr. Chair, kung magsasabi kang totoo ngayon, alright, yung instruction sa'yo, na-pressure ka na maging incorporator ng, anong company yun? Lucky South. Na-pressure ka sa instruction. Correct. Tama ba? Bakit mali? If you were instructed, ibig sabihin, doon sa instruction, sumunod ka, correct? Sumunod ka, am I right? Pakisagot po, pakisagot na.
Apa.
Yan. Therefore, kung sumunod ka sa instruction, na-pressure ka.
Congressman Abante, I think Ronaldin Baterna brought along with her lawyers. Meron kang lawyer, di ba? Wow.
But of course,
Sige,
Mr. Chair.
wait, Congressman Abante. So, sino mga lawyers na kasama po ninyo? Ano po?
FC Merale.
Andyan po ba sila? So, sino nagbayad po ng lawyer ninyo? Sino po?
Josel Bela.
Sino po nagbayad ng lawyer ninyo? Kayo po? Ikaw pa? Ikaw ba nagbayad? Sino nagbayad? Hindi, tinatanong ko lang kung sino nagbayad ng lawyer mo kasi may kasama kang lawyer. Sino nagbayad ng lawyer mo? Kinontak mo lang? Walang bayad dyan? Wala? Okay, lawyer. Sige. Tingnan natin kung sino lawyer.
Sino po yung lawyer?
Asan yung lawyer ninyo? Can you kindly sit beside the Ronaldin Baterna? Can you please state your name?
Good afternoon. Alias.
Anong firm po kayo? Anong firm? Law firm?
NFC alias Law.
Sino pong nag-hire sa inyo? Are you under... Did you take your oath?
No, not yet.
Can you please stand up and we'll consider her as our resource speaker?
Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth?
Okay, sa attorney. So, sino po nag-hire sa inyo?
As far as my...
Lucky South,
Yes.
99.
Yes, Mr.
Sabi kasi ni Baterna, ni Miss Baterna, kinontak lang daw kayo. So, sino kumontak sa inyo? Lucky South 99 o si Miss Baterna?
Sir, I am only... As for us, that matter...
Pero Lucky South po ang nag-contact sa inyo.
Yes, yeah.
So, ang ibig sabihin, sinungaling si Baterna. Kasi sabi niya, kinontak ka niya eh. Kinontak ka ba niya?
Your Honor,
So, siya ang kumontak sa inyo?
contact, we were in...
Siya ba yung kumontak o other people from the Lucky South 99? Siya ba o others?
I am not privy, Mr. to...
Di ba you will be representing the Lucky South 99, and you must know the details about your representation. And I think it is incumbent upon you to know all the details. It's like going to the battle without ammunition. Attorney, I'm not an abogado, pero ako, kapag humaharap ako sa gera, I'm full of bala, di ba? You should also, di ba? So, simple lang naman yung tanong namin eh, di ba?
Yes.
O sino
Yes,
yung
Mr.
kausap niyo po sa Lucky South 99? Can you kindly ask your boss? I'll give you time. I'll give you time. You call and ask sino ang kausap niyo sa Lucky South 99. Okay? And we'll be going back to you. Sige, Congressman Abante, in a while, be going back to the attorney para at least malaman po natin kung sino kumontak. Kasi, it's klaro dito na medyo, Ronaldin Baterna, I think you are lying. You are lying. Kaya, mamaya, sabihin mo na yung nalalaman mo because this will help you a lot. Sige, Congressman
Tuloy ko lang.
Abante.
Ano po yung position ninyo when you were receiving 17,000?
Receptionist.
Okay,
Under admin.
receptionist ka. Alright? Ikaw ay ang iyong tapos associate, no? 2 years lang. Alright. Yung ikaw ay binigyan ng 23,000 a month, ano ang posisyon niyo yan?
Sabi lang po,
Ano yon?
tari nga paper.
So, ibig sabihin, yung 23,000 pesos a month na tinatanggap mo, ang iyong position is corporate secretary ng korporasyon. Yun po ba?
Admin pa rin, under admin.
Tandali lang, hindi mo ko sinasagot ang maayos eh. Alright. Kaya mo kanina, Mr. Chair, ikaw ay naging corporate secretary at dahil dyan, itinaas ang sweldo mo ng 23,000. Tama. Therefore, kung corporate secretary ka, hindi ka lang sa admin. Ikaw ay corporate secretary ng korporasyon. Tama, mali? Okay. Yung ba, alam mo o hindi mo alam?
Hindi po.
See? Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, kung hindi mo alam yan, na-pressure ka. Pinressure ka, na-pressure ka. Mr. Chair. Sagutin mo lang kung tama o mali. Na-pressure ka. Tama.
Hindi po.
Teka. Alam mo, under oath ka, di ba? You're under oath. You're under oath. Alam niyo bang ibig sabihin ng under oath?
Opo.
Na magsasabi ka ng totoo. Alright. Now, sa akin, Mr. Chair, ang nagsasabi ng totoo, sapagkat Luka, ikaw ay na-promote bilang corporate secretary ng korporasyon, hindi ng admin. Hindi mo alam. Therefore, kung hindi mo alam, ginawa kang corporate secretary ng korporasyon na hindi mo alam, sabihin na pressure ka.
Hindi naman po kasi nga po pagkakaalam po. Erical.
Mr. Chair, I think that me, Terna, is even confused on her position, that I believe she was pressured and that she is not actually right. I do not know if her lawyer was the one that told her that. Okay, I would like to...
And for your information also, Congressman Benny Abante, that the same law firm na naging lawyer ni Paterna is also the one who filed a motion to quash the search warrant na isinerve po sa PORAC. So, sila rin po yung NFC law firm, Reales Law Office. And we're asking yung si attorney, siguro you can ask the question, Chairman Abante, about kung sino doon sa Lucky South 99 ang kumontak sa kanila. You have to find out kung sino talaga yung kumontak.
Gusto ko lang po sabihin kami na kinakailangan kabahan dito takot. Nais lang natin malaman ang katotohanan. Lang nais natin malaman. So, Miss Paterna, nabanggit mo ikaw ang kumontak, pero sinabi ng abogado, hindi ikaw. ang talagang iyan ay abogado ng Lucky South. Sila ay abogado ng Lucky South. Therefore, hindi ikaw ang kumontak, kundi ang kumontak noon ay yung officers ng Lucky South. Am I right?
Ano,
Alam.
Ronaldin Baterna, again, alam mo, baka we will be forced to cite you in contempt, kasi kanina nagsinungaling ka na sinabi mo na ikaw ang kumontak, ano? But unfortunately, the line of questioning of Congressman Abante leads to something, pero refusing to answer. And alam mo, kung bago ka lamang dyan, we will be considerate. Kasi 5 taong ka na dyan eh. Like for example, to sila Julian Linsangan, Edwin Siang, Marion Ryan Chua. Bago lang po ba kayo o nagtatrabaho din kayo sa kanilang kumpanya, sa other companies? Wala kayong connection sa mga companies na to? Yeah, so identity theft yung kanina. Well, si Julian Lansangan, si Edwin Siang, si Marion Ryan Chua, kasi sila yung mga bagong incorporators ng Lucky South 99 Corporation. Kasi you have to understand that yung Whirlwind, yun yung sa real estate, yung nagpapagawa ng development. Pero pagdating sa pagkuha ng lisensya sa PAGCOR, ang ginamit po na nilang una ay Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. And then nag-file sila ng articles of incorporation na citing all the amendments. At ang pinalit nila sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated ay Lucky South 99 Corporation. So, yun na po yung bagong pangalan. Kasi nga, hindi na-aprubahan sa PAGCOR yung Lucky South 99 Outsourcing. Kaya ang ginawa po nila, nag-file sila ng amendment at binago nila yung mga incorporators. At doon pumasok sila Julia, sila Linsangan. Doon kayo pumasok sa Lucky South 99 Corporation. Am I correct? Dahil tinatanong ko kung doon po kayo kasama sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Yes.
Diba? Doon kayo kasama. And before that, Lucky South 99 Corporation, yung outsourcing. Yung outsourcing na Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, doon kasama si Cassandra Leong. Siya ang incorporator doon at nung binago to sa amendment, tinanggal na si Cassandra Leong at siya na ang naging representante at ng Whirlwind Corporation. In other words, talagang makikita mo na yung kanilang mga corporations are intertwined as well. Na meron lang ginamit na mga incorporators na mga bogus. Bogus sila eh. Hindi sila kasama doon sa original eh. Pero itong si Ronaldin Baterna, kasama siya mula una hanggang huli. Hanggang ngayon, kasama ka, Ronaldin Baterna. Kasama ka sa Outsourcing Incorporated ng Lucky South 99. Kasama ka sa Lucky South 99 Corporation when it was amended.
Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Gusto lang i-establish dito. Miss Paterna, naawa ako sa iyo kasi hindi mo alam eh. Marami kang hindi alam. Ibig sabihin, ibahin ko yung question ko. Ibig sabihin, nagamit ka. Tama o mali? Hindi mo alam eh. Nagamit ka, correct? Tama o mali? Ano po yun? Ano po yun?
Kaya ando lang. So,
Look,
parang wala po akong...
Ang korporasyon po na kinabibilangan ng mga foreigners, ang 60% po niyan dapat Pilipino. Ang 40% dapat foreigners. So, ilan po ang share ninyo? Ilan ang share ninyo sa korporasyon na yan?
Wala po.
So, corporate secretary ka, incorporator ka, pero wala kang share, correct? Sino ang may hawak ng 60% share?
Hindi ko po alam.
Sino ang ibang Pilipinong incorporator dyan?
Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Chair, established dito, hindi niya alam kung sino yung mga Filipino incorporator at hindi niya alam dapat ang korporasyon sa Pilipinas merong 60% share ng Pilipino, 40% ang share ng foreigner. Sino po yung foreigner na merong share dyan na incorporator? So hindi mo yun alam kung sino yung Chinese na incorporator dyan. Hindi mo kilala kung sino ang presidente at chairman ng korporasyon?
Hindi po.
So, corporate secretary ka, ikaw ang nililista ng lahat, ikaw ang nagre-record ng lahat, pero hindi mo alam ang pangulo ng korporasyon.
Hindi po, kasi hindi po.
Kaya lang, ikaw ang corporate secretary, Mr. Chair. So ito establish natin, hindi mo kilala ang presidente ng korporasyon. Hindi mo rin kilala ang chairman ng korporasyon.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo rin kilala ang mga Filipino incorporators.
Hindi rin po.
Mr. Chair, nasubmit ko sa committee ito ang testimony is Paterna na siya po ay ginamit at na-pressure kahit hindi niya inaamin.
Congressman Batcubante, I think this person is withholding her knowledge about a lot of things. I truly believe on that. Why? Because she's been there for 5 years. 5 taon na sila magkakasama. At kung titingnan mo ang mga dokumento, mula nung una na ginawa pa lamang po yung Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, isa na siya doon. Naging Lucky South 99 group pa yan. Tapos naging corporation. And now, you're denying na wala kang alam. And I believe dito medyo pinaiikot tayo nito. And I'll be holding back, no? Yung ating nararamdaman sa ngayon because medyo itong si Ronaldin Baterna being there for the longest time, no? We don't believe that you don't know the president. You don't know the members. You don't know the other incorporators. You don't know Cassandra Ong?
Sandra Ong, kilala ko po.
Gaano mo na siya katagal kasama? Nakakita mo siya, nakakausap?
Hindi.
Hindi mo siya nakakausap for 5 years?
Hindi po.
Alam mo, nagsisinungaling talaga tong batang to.
Mr. Chair,
And I believe that may kalalagyan ka rito, Baterna. Maniwala ka sa akin because you've been there for so many years.
Mr. Chair.
Alam namin na meron kang alam. To be honest.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Abante.
I would disagree with you on holding back. I'd like to make a motion that we put Ms. Paterna in contempt this committee until such time that she tells us the truth about the corporation. So I move, Mr.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Congressman,
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Ms. Paterna, may motion na po. Naintindihan mo ba yung contempt motion ni Chairman Pante? Do you understand? Alam mo po ba yun? Ito, kasi Ms. Paterna, as far as I understand, pag sinight ka ng contempt dito sa House, you will be detained. Oh? Ngayon, yung contempt is part of our internal rules, Section 11 of our internal rules. At alam mo ba yung violation mo? Oh, your violation is paragraph C of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C, refusal to answer important questions from the members of this committee. In short, you are lying.
Pasensya na po kayo. First time ko po.
Hindi,
Tsaka hindi
kaya
po
nga
ako
kaya nga in-explain ko sa iyo so you now understand the consequences of your refusal to answer pertinent questions. Kasi, sandali po, Mr. Chairman, who's the lady?
No. She's the lawyer. Attorney,
Sandali po.
please don't whisper to the resource speaker.
Sandali po.
Let her
Sandali.
answer, okay, on her own, okay? Unless the members of this committee allow you, to say something to your.
Mr. Chair, I would withhold the motion if right now Ms. Paterna will tell the truth.
Siguro, Dennis Cunanan, andyan si Dennis Cunanan eh. Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated.
Sandali po, Mr. Chairman, hindi pa ako tapos eh.
The chairman can interject.
No, I am just...
Yes, I recognize you.
I do not want to
Yes,
hear...
Congressman
Dennis,
Paduano.
With due respect, hindi pa po ako tapos because I have to ask first Ms. Paterna if indeed she understands the
Okay.
contempt motion.
Okay, because of you give
And
some.
now you're-
No,
and now
no,
you're
wait,
recognizing Dennis Cunanan.
Congressman Paduano. Let the chairman acknowledge you again or recognize you before you speak. Para medyo tayo may order, no? So, the good chairman of Committee on Public Accounts asked some question. So, can you please reply?
Ito tanong mo na diretso. Ms. Paterna. O ngayon, sinabi ko na lahat-lahat. Gusto mo tagalogin natin? Naintindihan mo ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Yung contempt order o motion? Naintindihan mo na? Na ikukulong ka dito sa House. Naintindihan mo ba? Naintindihan mo ba? Tapos, ang violation mo is yung hindi pagsagot ng tama sa mga tanong ng mga kasapi ng komiting ito. Intindihan mo? Please. Okay. Yun yung consequences. Now, do you want to answer the queries truthfully?
Yes po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so in relation to your motion, Congressman Abante, but put in hold, may I ask Dennis Cunanan, Mr. Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. You were one of those who have started this corporation. Am I right?
I didn't start the corporation.
But
The
you
ones
were
who
a part.
assisted, yes,
Kasi kung
we assisted
titignan ko
them.
yung organizational chart, kasama ka doon as a
Lagay nila, sir, sa
yes,
communications. So
yes,
they can-
you are a corporate communication and government relations. And during that time that you were a official of the organization, the corporation, you have encountered si Batarina. Am
Yes,
I
Your
correct?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
So, ano ang relasyon nyo? I mean, what is your working relationship? Working relationship, not the personal relationship.
I don't relate with her, sir, but she's always there whenever the facility where they meet all their guests and people like court. Ito po yung charge doon.
So, in other words, she's working as a real corporate secretary.
For that, I'm not really honest, but I know she works there.
At kasama-sama niya doon sila Cassandra Ong.
Yes.
Man.
Okay, go ahead, Congressman.
Anyway, this is a short question. Anyway, tinanong mo na si Dennis Cunanan. Dennis, sir, now you know talaga yung Miss Paterna, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. When was the time that you know the person Miss Paterna?
When they first asked me to go into that
Year na lang po, year na lang.
2019,
19.
Your Honor.
2019, Miss Paterna. Kilala mo po si Dennis Cunanan. O, nakikita mo.
Opo.
O, pero Dennis, that time, di ba, si Miss Baterna is associated not with Lucky South 99, but with Whirlwind.
Yes, sir.
O, Miss Baterna, do you confirm dating Whirlwind ka?
Ang po, Erwin, yung parang ang pagkakalam ko po,
Hindi, Miss Baterna, you first sign a document doon sa lease agreement na pinakita kanina ni Congressman Adyong representing Whirlwind. Sa kabila, Cassandra Ong. Tapos, yung bagong amended lease contract, ikaw na yung nandun sa Lucky South 999. Tapos si Cassandra Ong, nandun po sa Whirlwind.
Lucky South lang po yung natatandaan ko.
Oh, now you're lying again. Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt for violation of Section 11, Paragraph C. Refusal to answer pertinent question or lying, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Pante,
I'm still on with my interpellation. Before we act on the motion of Chairman Paduano, I would like to ask again, Ms. Paterna, kung ngayon naniniwala siya na ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. Will you answer, please? Hindi siguro. Kung ginamit ka ngayon, nakikita mo na di ba? Nakita mo na, no? Hindi ka naman bobo matalino ka So tinatanong kita, kung ngayon na-realize mo na ginamit ka ng korporasyon. Yan, okay. Mr. Chair, I'd like to manifest that Ms. Paterna has finally admitted that ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. Does Mr. Dennis Cunanan agree with that?
I suppose so, Your Honor, because of the
You're
representation.
not supposed to. You better tell me
Yes, Your
right
Honor.
now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, okay. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I also have to manifest that Mr. Cunanan also said that he agrees with Ms. Paterna, admitting that Ms. Paterna ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. So, shall we proceed with the motion, Mr. Chair?
Chairman.
Okay, go ahead. Are you done, Congressman Abante? So,
I'm asking if we should proceed with the motion. Yes.
well, there's a motion to cite her.
It was Chairman Paduano who made the motion. If I would like to ask if Chairman Paduano
No,
would like
I
to
think
proceed with the motion.
the rule will bear us out. The first who did the motion was Congressman Abante. So we will be we will not consider the motion of Congressman Paduano because you have the pending motion. But before we proceed, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of our Senior Deputy Speaker, Don Gonzales. Sir,
Mr.
you
Chair. Mr. Chair.
Wait. And also Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez. You are welcome, sir. Go ahead, Congressman
Chair.
Abante.
A while ago, I withheld the motion if Ms. Paterna will tell the truth. So today, she told one truth, Mr. Chair. So I would like to ask now if the motion of Chairman Paduano will still be I would like to ask Mr. Chair, Chairman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, of course.
Go ahead, Congressman Paduano. But before you proceed, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Ernesto Dionisio Jr. of the 1st District of Manila and Congressman Paulo Ortega of 1st District of Sir, go ahead.
Of course, I will yield to the term of the Honorable Committee. But before I will, whether I will hold back my motion, Mr. Dennis Cunanan, last na lang po to sa issue na to. Since you started with Whirlwind, di ba? Tama?
No, sir. Lucky South.
As consultant, di ba?
Lucky South, Your Honor.
Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor.
But, alam mo po na si Paterna is with Whirlwind originally.
Yes, Your Honor. Because they were the ones who handles the facility.
Who handles the facility.
Yes, Your Honor.
And even the lease contract, alam mo rin yun.
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
Na she was the one who represents in that contract, first contract with the Cruz family.
Yung first contract, Your Honor, it was the original incorporator of Whirlwind, Mascarenas po.
Mascarenas, ba't nandun din si Paterna?
Employee po nila.
Oh. Tapos, nag-Lucky South siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Siya na ngayon nag-represent sa Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, last na lang, Miss Paterna. Do you confirm the statement of Dennis Cunanan or you still refute?
Alam ko po. Takis.
And then, do you confirm na una nasa Whirlwind ka? Tama?
Opo.
Okay. At least sumagot siya ng tama. So, Mr. Chairman, with that, I withdraw my motion, Mr. Chairman, for a while. Kasi marami pa mamaya ako itatanong kay Ms. Paterna.
Okay, session resume. Are you,
Mr. Chair,
before you, before the chair recognize you, I'll be asking one question. I'll be reserving my question in the Quadcom. So, before you move, for the whatever motion you have in your mind, can we just allow the co-chair to ask some question as well?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Go ahead, Chair.
Thank you, Co-Chair, for Ms. Ronelyn Baterna. Earlier, sinabi mo na hindi ka gumagawa ng mga resolutions, lahat pinapipirmahan sa'yo.
Yes po.
Then tinanong din yung paano yung articles of incorporation, being the corporate secretary, sabi mo, ang nagpe-prepare, sino?
Ano po yun?
Sino nagpe-prepare ng mga papel na pinapipirmahan sa'yo?
Si Attorney Medina po.
Attorney Medina. Tapos, sabi mo kanina rin, narinig namin na tinatawagan ka sa opisina. Tapos para may papipirmahan sa'yo.
Opo, parang pag-ready na po yung mga papers, parang ibibigay na lang po sa akin para po permahan.
Anong pangalan ng opisina?
Yung attorney lang po yung alam ko po.
Yan ba yung kasama mo dyan? Yung abogado mo kanina? From the same law office?
Iba po sila, Your Honor. Hindi po
Iba
sila.
na ngayon?
Opo.
Sino nag-provide ulit sa kanila?
Po?
Sino nag-provide sa'yo na magdala ng abogado dito?
Ako po mismong nag-contact po sa kanila, Your Honor.
Ikaw na ngayon na nag-contact sa kanila?
Opo.
Kanina, iba ang sabi mo.
Ay, sinabi ko po kanina ako po.
Inanawan sila ng Lucky South para samahan ka. Oo. Sabi ng lawyer patawagin mo yung lawyer mo. Tingnan ko kung lahat kayo puro sinungaling ang resource speaker namin. Tinanong ko sino nag-engage na services nila Please identify yourself again, attorney.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Attorney Giselle S. Velasco from NFC Miralles Law Office. NFC Miralles, Your Honor.
Yes. So why are you here?
Your Honor, I was asked by our law office to assist Ms. Baterna.
And to assist Ms. Baterna?
Yes.
Who in your office told you to assist Ms. Baterna?
Our managing partner. Your
And who's your managing partner?
Attorney Nadine Faye Miralles, Your Honor.
Nadine C. Miralles.
Yes, Your Honor.
I've heard also that it, again, in law office nyo, ang pang N.
NFC Miralles Law Office, Your Honor.
Is it true? Kayo yung law firm nyo rin na nagpa-quash nung search warrant na in-issue for ano?
Yes, Your Honor, we are the current counsel for LS-99 at the proceedings, Your Honor, at San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yeah, nung nag-apply ng search warrant, pinakwash ba? Pinakwash yung warrant.
Let me clarify, Your Honor. Their law firm has submitted to the Honorable Court a motion to quash the search warrant that we have, that has been issued to us and that we have implemented. So that's still pending, Your Honor. The search warrant against Boga et al. Boga et al., the known boss of Lucky South 99. He is a Chinese national, Your Honors.
So, Boga et al. Is also your client?
As far as I know, Your Honor, as confirmed by our managing partner, Your Honor, it was Miss Baterna who, kung sino, si Miss Baterna po ang nag-communicate sa office namin as the CorpSec of Lucky South 99, and siya din po yung nag-engage sa amin for our services. As representative po of
So,
Lucky South.
sino magbabayad sa inyo?
That, Your Honor, I am not privy to that engagement, Your Honor. Since that is Your Honor's.
So si
Mr. Chair, may I interject? Just one question in relation to what you said.
Wait, Congressman, Ronaldin Baterna, you coordinated with them. Ikaw nakipag-usap para to get their services. Yun ang sinabi ng abogado. So meaning you have all this authority, di ba? All the authority emanates from you dahil nga siya nagtatanggol, ang NFC ang nagtatanggol sa Lucky South 99. And you coordinated with them. Di ba? Kanina, binanggit mo, wala kang alam lahat. Hindi ikaw nakikipag-coordinate, hindi ka kumakausap sa abogado. But now they're telling us na ikaw ang nag-coordinate. So, dito, kikita na natin yung pagsisinungaling mo.
Mr. Chair.
Diba? So, ngayon, sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate sa NFC?
Totoo po yung mga sinasabi ko, Your Honor, yung wala po talagang alam about dun sa mga pinipirmahan ko. Pero yung sa kanila po, ako po talaga yung
Pero kanina sinabi mo, hindi ka di ba?
Mr. Chair, walang.
Yes, wait. Let the chair finish first. So hindi mo sinabi kanina na ikaw nag-coordinate. But now sinasabi nila na ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. Di ba? So, now you will agree with me that ikaw talaga nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. And I'm asking you right now, kung ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila, sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate ka sa abogado na ginagamit ng Lucky South? Sino?
Ako po.
Alam mo, hindi mo sinasagot ng tama yung tanong ko. Ang tinatanong ko, sino nag-utos sa iyo para kausapin ang lawyer ng NFC para ipagtanggol kayo sa korte at samahan ka dito sa Kongreso? Sino nag-utos sa iyo?
Kasi po, nung...
Sagutin mo muna ang tanong ko, sino? Kasi kanina, sinasabi mo, wala kang alam, hindi mo alam na ikaw presidente, hindi mo alam na ikaw ang corporate secretary, hindi mo alam yung mga pinirmahan mo. You are telling all these lies na sinasabi mo, wala kang alam. Now, suddenly, ikaw, pumunta ka sa isang law firm. Ikaw nag-represent sa Lucky South 99. And telling them, hinahire ko kayo bilang kayo magtatanggol sa amin. Ngayon, meron ka palang ganitong klaseng authority. Ngayon, ang tanong, sino ang nagsabi sa iyo na kausapin ang law firm na NFC?
Yung totoo po niyan, Your Honor, may tumawag po
Sino
sa akin, isang attorney po.
Sino? Anong pangalan?
Si Attorney Abby po tumawag.
Sino Attorney Abe? Anong pangalan niya? Full name?
Abby lang po yung pagkakaalam kong name.
Kasama sa Lucky South 99.
And under po ng law nila, ng law firm. Tapos parang tumawag po siya para daw
Ang
po.
tatawag sa iyo ay yung sa law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa sarili nilang law firm. Pinagloloko mo kami dito.
Hindi po, di ba po ako po yung corporate sec.
Okay.
Tapos tumawag po si Attorney Abby sa akin. Na
Sino
parang-
tumawag sa iyo? Sa attorney ng law firm?
Opo, attorney po ng law firm.
Para?
Tapos parang may inaano po siya na may pepermahan daw po ako na about nga daw po sa Lucky South.
Hindi, kanina Ronaldin Baterna, ang sabi mo, babalikan natin. Ang sabi mo kanina, okay, tinatanong kita, sino nag-coordinate sa lawyer? Sabi mo, hindi mo alam. Hindi ikaw. Tapos sinanong namin ngayon yung lawyer mo, ang sabi ng lawyer mo, nag-coordinate sa kanila para i-hire sila, ikaw. Ang tinatanong kita kanina, dahil wala kang alam sa lahat ng mga korporasyon na to, pumipirma ka lang. Tinatanong ko sa iyo, di ba, inamin mo na ngayon na ikaw nagko-coordinate. Sino nga ang nagsabi sa iyo? Yung abogado mismo ng law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa kanila? Is that what you're trying to tell us?
Yes po.
Ha?
Pero hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung nakikipag-coordinate sa kanila na para tawagan po ako.
Mr. Chair, may lang akong tanong in relation. Baka makalimutan ko yung tanong ko eh.
Mr.
Hindi,
Chair,
Mr. Chair.
So, Congressman Abante, then Congressman Pancho.
Okay.
Sige, go ahead.
I would like to ask the lawyer, ilang taon na po kayong lawyer ng Lucky South 99 Corporation?
Your Honor, our services were just engaged by Lucky South after po the raid.
After the
The
raid?
Yes.
When was
Your
that?
Honor. This June or July po.
Kayo rin po ba ang abogado ng Lucky South 99 Outsourcing?
Not that I know of, Your Honor.
Okay.
Congresswoman Pancho, please.
Nag-agree po ako kay Congressman na Abante, no? Parang ginagawa tayong tanga rito ng mga resource persons natin. Now, sige, kagatin natin yung ginagawa mo kaming tanga. Kung talagang abogado nyo yan, magkano po binayad nyo dyan? Magkano po yung fee ninyo? May kakayahan ba kayong bayaran yung kanyang PF? Kasi ang sweldo nyo lang po is 23,000 eh.
Your Honor, gaya nga po ng sabi ko kanina, may kumontak po sa akin which is si Attorney Abby nga po. So, hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung kausap niya. Ang sinabi niya lang, may need lang daw po akong permahan.
Kasi ang sabi niyo po kanina, kayo ang tumawag. So, kung kayo po ang tumawag, kayo ang nag-seek ng service po niya. So, pagka po kayo ang tumawag, ibig sabihin, may pambayad kayo doon sa kanyang PF. Diba? Kasi yun ang pinipilit nyo sa amin kanina eh. Naniniwala kami na hindi naman po totoo eh. So, binago nyo, binaliktad nyo.
Yun po yung totoo, Your Honor.
I think this person is really hiding something. And she thought na we are all stupid here, you know. So what is the pleasure of the body?
There's a pending motion, Mr. Chair.
For her?
No, for the incorporators, for the four of them.
O sige, what's the
Now, realizing, Mr. Chair, that these four are mere employees at ginamit lamang sila out of my compassionate heart, I am withdrawing my motion for contempt. For the four. For the three. Di ba kasama si Mr. Kasama yun kasi corporate secretary siya eh. For the four. Oo. That's out of my compassionate heart and your compassionate heart, Mr. Chair.
Yes. I'm thanking the good chair of the Committee on Human Rights for withdrawing that motion for the three personalities. But I think on the next on Miss Ronaldin Baterna, ang dami niyang pagsisinungaling eh kanina pa eh. And she's been in the company since 2019 up to 2024, up to now. And this woman is really may alam siya eh, but withholding it for herself. Maybe kasi kilala rin niya si Cassandra. Ang dami niyang kilala doon sa... Well, anyway, I leave it to the body to decide on this.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Congressman Ako, please.
May I know the parliamentary status of the motions?
Well, the parliamentary status, there was a motion initially to cite in contempt first yung si Ronaldin and then the three incorporators. Then he withdrew it just a while ago. So now the parliamentary status is that was already withdrawn. So if we will show compassion to Ronaldin Paterna, it's up to the body. So
Mr. Chairman.
We decide. Yes, Congressman
Mr.
Paduano.
Chairman, just this morning, I have a motion to contempt Ms. Paterna, but I hold it because we give her a chance now to answer truthfully. Well, in fact, I already explained what is contempt. Tinagalog pa natin. So, alam niya na. Alam niya na yung consequence ng pagsisinungaling sa hearing na to. So, with that, Mr. Chairman, I move to cite in contempt Ms. Paterna in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C of our rules. The violation is refusal to answer questions from the members of this committee. In short, she is lying, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion to cite Ronaldin Paterna under Section 11, and there was a second motion by Congressman Acop. Any objection? Hearing no objection, Ronaldin Paterna is hereby cited in contempt.
Mr. Chairman.
So, the penalty. Congressman Paduano.
I give the privilege to Chairman
Congressman Acop,
if
please.
you will recognize Chairman Acop
Congressman.
with regards to the detention. Please.
Mr. Chair, may I move that the penalty given to Ms. Ronaldin being cited in contempt for 30 days to be confined doon po sa bago nating custodial center, inaugurated at 1:30 this afternoon. So move, Mr. Chair.
So there's a motion to put the resource speaker in the premises of the House of Representatives for 30 days. And is there a second motion? Second motion. There's a second motion. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay, so hindi kami masaya. Akala nyo masaya kami sa ginagawa namin. Nahirapan po kami. Trabaho namin to and we have to do our job. Hindi kayo nakikikooperate. Please, tulungan po natin ang ating bansa.
Mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para sa mga susunod na video updates. Maraming salamat po.